Hello everyone, I'm Akshay from the Viken Construction. This is one of our project for the school refurbishment in the Mangalore East. So you can have a look at our project, and this is the refurbishment of the school rooms with the science labs and the maths rooms with fully modern specifications. I will give you the overview, like a walkthrough of this site. So come with me. Yeah, as I mentioned, this is one of the science lab designed with fully modern specifications. So here the scope is for electrical work, gas work, water, electricity, and as this is a science lab, so students need to perform their experiments on the science lab. So here we have provided all these the switchboards and the power outlets for the projector, sound system, different kinds of sound system, and TV unit, and also for the teachers to use for. So this is like a big thing actually. We just look at it and it looks like a small, but it's a big thing. And then we have provided the ceiling fans and also the HVAC, the heat pump specifically. Another one thing I need to mention here, we have an emergency stop. You can see this one is the emergency stop. Why? Because when the students are using this lab for the gas and water, and if there is any leakage or any hazardous thing is happening here, so this is the emergency stop button. When you press this button, everything stops automatically. So this is very important thing that we have provided. And yeah, these are the tables for the science experiments where students gonna perform individually all over there. They're gonna follow their teacher. For the teacher, we have another separate bench top, so they can perform it there, the experiments, and the students will follow them. So this is like for each student, we have a water connection, we have a gas connection, and then we have an electricity connection. So we have to run the pipes for each gas and each water electricity separately. We have installed the splashbacks. So because obviously we are using the water, so we don't want to get any damp on the wall. So there is a splashback. After that, we have a Ortex as per the New Zealand standards. We use the Ortex in the classroom. So this is the Ortex we use. The color was mentioned by discussed by the school and architects. So this is, you can have a look all over the walls. It's all covered by the Ortex. The next part here is our ceiling. You can see it's the ceiling tiles where we have installed all the lights, sounds, fire smoke sensor, and the ceiling fans. Each classroom has the HVAC. That's a heat pump, I'll say. Each classroom has separate that one. Yeah, and this is one of the maths room where they keep a simple and aesthetic design. You can see just the simple Ortex they have installed, and sliding doors with all the facilities as I mentioned, the sound system, ceiling lights, ceiling fans, heat pump, TV, and the whiteboard. So they're making it as basic as for the classroom with all the norms for the fire safety and all the student safety with locks and everything. So this is just a basic and simple room.